Hey guys, welcome to another Premium Template Monday video where we're going to show you the loan calculator. So if we take a look at the overview, you will see that the loan calculator is a simple based flow system, but it has a lot of features inside. We have, of course, the main navigation, we have the loan calculator and the appointment booking. If we take a look at the flows themselves, we have the book appointment section, which includes a Calendly integration. We have the calculator itself, which is the main flow. We have a Calendly loop based on the book appointment, so we can determine whether or not the appointment has actually been made. So this is also working with a free Calendly account as well. Then we also have the email validation, we have the quote process, and basically also grabbing all the data from a Google Sheet, which we will also show you in just a few seconds. On the email validation side of things, if we open this step, you will see that we have an external request, and that is we are going to call the emailable API. You can get a free account there. Just insert the API key inside the bot field that we have. So inside the bot fields, we will have the emailable API, which will allow you to insert your own API key to make this fully functional. So let's take a look at how this looks like from the front end. So if we are going with the calculator, which is the main flow, then we can go inside the preview mode. Let's go with a pop-up. And here we go. Welcome visitor. In order for us to provide you with a better and more personalized service, may I ask what is your first name, please? Thanks. So let's just go with Mark. And now we get all the information. This information is dynamically being pulled in from a Google Sheet. As you will see inside the Google Sheet itself, we have four different kinds of worksheets. The first one will be the loan types. So all of these types will be dynamically fetched and then being displayed inside basically the chatbot itself, right? So we have the car, furnitures, all the way up till weddings. And if we take a look here, you will see that it goes all the way up to weddings. So you can also basically disable any kind of preview that you like to. For this demo purpose, we'll leave them on. You can also change the images, of course. You can change the titles. If you don't need certain sections of the loan calculator, you can also skip them. Inside the loan schemes, you will see a complete overview. So this is a pretty advanced setup. But as you can see, we have different kinds of rate types. So we have a fixed rate, variable rate, and this is all being dynamically pulled in with that Google flow that we have. So if we take a look at the Google flow, the GS data pool, then you will see that everything is being pulled in. So we have get multiple rows from loan calculator. So this is to get the loan types. As you can see here, status is set to 1, then everything is being fetched. If we go towards loan schemes, basically the exact same setup. If the status is set to 1, everything is being fetched. And the same goes with the labels and also the format JSON data. So if we go with the labels themselves, if we take a look at the preview matched rows, you will see that we have all the variables as well. These are all variables that are being used throughout the chatbot. So if we take a look at the labels themselves, as you can see here, first name ask, welcome visitor. And if we go inside the flow itself, you will see that at specific points, so if we go towards the calculator itself, so if we go inside the first name check, first name is empty or first name is guest, which is the case on web chat, then we go towards this to the loan quote labels first name ask. And that is basically this section, welcome visitor, right? So this is the way that, that certain dynamic values can be set directly inside of the Google Sheet, where the user can set up every single piece. So let's head back over to the preview. So let's preview this flow again. Let's just do the preview inside of pop-up. And then from here, we will basically select a specific loan. So let's go with, for example, we want to do some home improvements, right? So we go with a home improvement, and as you can see, it will be confirmed that this is a loan type for home improvement. What type of interest rate would you prefer for this home improvement loan? So either a fixed or a variable. If we say, let's do fixed, it should fetch all of these variables, right? So everything about this fixed rate for home furnitures will be fetched and displayed inside the chatbot. So if we take a look, you will see for home improvement loan with fixed rate, we offer various combinations of rate, duration, which one would fit your needs the best. So we have a interest rate at 3.99% for 2 years. And if we take a look here, you will see that we have a fixed rate of 3.99 for a period of 2 years. Then we also have a fixed rate for 3.49% for 4 years. And if we take a look there, then you will also see we have a fixed rate for 3.49% for 4 years. And this is all being dynamically pulled inside the chatbot. So these are all the options. So let's say we are going with a 4-year plan. Then it will also pick up all the available options, right? It gives you an overview. So the loan type is a home improvements, rate type is fixed, rate is 3.49% with a duration of 4 years. You can choose from 2 calculation types. First one will calculate what will be the monthly payments. The other one is what you can afford for loan, taking into account your monthly payment capacities. So let's say we are just going with what can I afford? As you can see here, what is the monthly amount you can provide? So let's say monthly I can pay off, let's say $500, right? So let's go with 500. So what can I afford? Everything is being calculated directly on the spot. A loan type for home improvements with a fixed rate of 3.49% for a duration of 4 years. We can basically get a loan of $22,369.81. Payments are 84 times 500. Interest, everything is being displayed really nicely. As you can see here, a total of 24,000 is then being calculated with everything nicely displayed. This is done with every available type. So with cars, furnitures, weddings, holidays, and stuff like that, it's all being dynamically fetched from the Google Sheet, and based on that it is also going to be displayed inside the chatbot. So no need to get in touch with a specific agency or a specific loan company. If the user chooses to go forth with this specific loan, you will see that we can confirm. Once we confirm, then you will see your quote request has been saved. One of our agents will be in touch with you shortly. What is the best email for us to reach you on? So let's just go with a Gmail. There we go. And now it's going inside of a verification process and also going to be registered, as you can see. Book your personal call by clicking here below. So we can also book a personal call, which will go towards Calendly, as you can see here. Currently, this one is not valid anymore because it is an expired account. But as you can see, glad to see you booked a call with us. Here are your booking confirmation. And this is based on a previous booking that I had on this specific email address. And now we will get back towards the main menu overview again. So this loan calculator is a really advanced premium template, which allows you to let the user directly see on the spot what basically will be the payment options, the interest rates, and give a complete overview. So if you want to try this template out, the link towards the premium template is inside the video description. And of course, our partners will have free access towards this template as well. If you have any questions, do let us know. For now, have a fantastic Monday, and we'll talk to you really soon.